Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. I just got up, so don't mind my hair. 3,000 subscribers. Incredible. It's a lot of people who are watching my videos. And I know for some YouTubers it's not that many, but for me it's a lot. And I'd like to thank everyone who watches my videos, is subscribed, and especially my patrons on patreon.com. I'll put a link there for those who want to know how it works and how they can help. So what's the next step? 10,000? I don't know. I enjoy making those videos, guys, and even though it's costing me more than what I get from them, but it's fun, and I'll keep doing more of the same, basically. Maybe making my videos a little shorter and concentrating more on operating outside. Maybe I should emphasize more the prepping side of radio prepping. You guys tell me what you'd like to see. Basically, I just do what I love doing, but I'm open to suggestions, of course. By the way, I started using Twitter for this channel again, so here's the handle to find me on Twitter if you use it. All the new videos will be posted there, and all the new threads on radiopreppers.com. You can find me now on minds.com right here. It's a social media that's a bit similar to YouTube, but I just wanted to have an alternate place to post my videos just in case. I also would like to thank people who sent me stuff, a handful of radio gear manufacturers and regular ham operators. Thanks a lot. Your stuff helped me make more videos, and I really thank you for that. If you enjoy my videos, please share them, post them in different places where people can find them. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Also think of that little bell over there that you can click on to get notified when I post new videos. So this was just a little extra video to say thank you to everyone. And now I have to go edit Monday's video. So please help me get to 10,000 subscribers. How about that? Have a good one.